Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is email templates. An email template is a predefined email layout that may already include content like images or text. Rather than create a new email from scratch each time, we can use a template as a base. Templates are also handy for making sure email designs follow brand guidelines. Email templates are of two types: classic email templates, lightning email templates. Let's see classic email templates. We are getting two folders by default: unified public classic email template and my personal email templates. Also, we can create our own folder as per the business requirement. Navigation, email templates, setup, administration, email, classic email templates, new template. Step 1, choose the type of template. Step 2, provide email template information. Step 3, click save. Let's see an example. Create email template, high value opportunity notification. Email template name would be high value opportunity notification. Description, email notification for high value opportunities. Subject, high value opportunity. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. Setup, under administration, email, classic email templates. So classic email templates, unified public classic email templates folder. This folder is by default selected. Second one is my personal email templates. There is no template at all. So these all the templates are given by Salesforce at the time of creation of this account. So all if we need to create our own template, just we have to click on new template. Also we can create our own folder as per the business requirement. So click on new template to create the new template. So step 1, email template. We have to choose from the following: text, HTML using classic letterhead, custom without using classic letterhead, visual force. So by default we are going with text. So new template, here available merge fields means here all the fields are getting populated if we are selecting that particular object. So we will see next, text email template. So here I had provided email template information. Folder is selected by default. We can choose as per our need. Available for use, checked email template name, high value opportunity notification. Template unique name, by default it's taking. Encoding is UTF-8. Description, email notification for high value closed won opportunities. Subject, high value opportunity. So in the email body, dear manager, an opportunity with high value has been closed won. Opportunity details, opportunity name. So how we are making it dynamic opportunity name? So coming to our select field type, here we are going to find out opportunity fields. So opportunity name I need here. So opportunity name, copy merge field value. Simply you have to control C, copy and paste it over here. Opportunity name, then amount. This is amount. So opportunity amount, just copy and paste over here. Please review the opportunity. Best regards. Here I am going to provide opportunity owner. Opportunity owner full name. So it's done. Click on save. So our email template is ready. Send text and verify mail. Send text and verify merge fields. So preview the template with the following records. Contact. I can take from here user, and again I am just using Salesforce user, and send email preview to. So I am using this one only. Click OK. Let's log into our Gmail account. So yes, we got the mail. High value opportunity, dear manager, an opportunity with high value has been closed. One opportunity details, opportunity name, amount. It's not showing because we had not created any record. This is only a test mail. Please review the opportunity. Best regards. Again, there is no record. This is a test record. So let's create an opportunity and test this particular email template. So from the app launcher, just open opportunity. Here it's opportunities. Create a new opportunity over here. So I am creating a new opportunity. So I am creating a new opportunity, email template test opportunity. Mandatory fields we need to provide. Opportunity owner is Salesforce Network. So it's done. Click on save. So the record is created. Just open the email template, setup, under administration, email, classic email templates. We had created an email template right now. So this one is the email template. Click on send text and verify merge fields. So here I am going to use user as me, Salesforce Network, and related to record, that is opportunity. And opportunity what we had created right now, email template text opportunity, and send email preview to me only. Okay. Let's log into our Gmail account. So we got a mail right now, high value opportunity. Dear manager, an opportunity with a high value has been closed. One opportunity details. Opportunity name is email template test opportunity. Amount we had not provided over there. Please review the opportunity. Best regards, owner of the Salesforce account, Salesforce Network. this way we are creating the email template. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.